In this video, we are going to change our nails from this to this. Stay tuned, coming up next. Hello buddies, welcome back. It's been long I haven't posted anything here, and now it's all locked down due to pandemic effect of COVID-19. And it's a perfect opportunity for me and for you all to start doing what you used to do, what you love to do. And for me, it's creating nail arts and creating art to create anything that requires creativity. So let's get started. Preparation is the most important thing for the nail art. Here are the nails which I started chipping off after second day of application. These are done by one of my friend who is not a nail technician, but she wanted to just help me out doing my nails on my right hand, and being so kind to me, I would like to share a video how to fix it. Cleaning the nails with acetone and gently pushing back cuticles. Cuticle cutting is the toughest thing that I have ever encountered in my life, and that too with the non-dominant hand is a real struggle, and I need to be super careful. Watch out some nail filing struggles. Not to lose hope, as we know beautiful things are not easy. So we need to do some more struggle. Let's do it. So after all those long struggles, it's time to apply dehydrator and primer and quickly move on to the builder gel. And I am using builder gel which is of thin consistency because I don't want that thick kind of look for my nails, as my nails are literally very short. So I just want to make them look as natural as possible. Don't forget to clean the sides before curing them. Now wipe the nails with a gel cleanser and some little buffing to smoothen out the surface. Dust off. Applying 2 coats of gel polish and curing in between each coat. Now it's time for some serious nail art. Keep watching. One last time, apply the top coat over the nails and cure it. And it's done. Add some nourishment to the nails using cuticle oil. And hence the final result. Thank you so much for watching this long video, and do let me know what you want to see next. If you want a detailed video for nail extension or gel manicure, feel free to comment down below and do the drill. Like, share, subscribe, anything. Bye. I will see you in my next video. Take care, be safe.